Hey guys, welcome back. Super excited to bring you guys behind the scenes on yet again another photo shoot because it's definitely been a second since the last one. A lot has happened since I last posted on here, not just with myself, but in the world. And with that being said, I hope everyone is staying safe and indoors if possible. This video was filmed last month when I felt more comfortable going outside. But yeah, I'm a bit more active on my other platforms like my Instagram and Twitter. Honestly, even my TikTok at this point. So if you feel like you're missing out on some photography related things from me, head on over there. But in today's video, we'll be taking photos of a dancer with a little twist. One of the photo shoots will be done at sunset, while the other one will be done at sunrise. I thought this would be a fun little comparison video because if you know me at all, you know I stay up super late. My usual bedtime is at like 4 a.m. So waking up at sunrise is just going to be a little bit rough for me. The only way I'll wake up for sunrise at this point is if I'm taking photos, just because I'd rather not, you know what I mean? Either way, I hope this video entertains you in some way. Throw it a like if you're excited, and let's get into it. All right, so we just got Isabella changed into her first look.
Yes.
What time is it? It's like 4:30, almost 5, so it's definitely getting dark.
It's foggy because it's slightly... It's been raining.
It's been raining all day. It let up for a second, so we're gonna head outside and take some photos. We don't really know the plan. We're just gonna kind of wing it. Yeah, so the sun will technically set, but we won't really see it. But we're just gonna get into it. So.
Let's go.
Yeah. It's getting close to sunset. It's like 5:10. We're going to shoot with
a smoke bomb. Yeah. We haven't done yellow before.
Have we not?
Orange, but
Orange,
not yellow.
Okay. We just did the yellow smoke bomb. It came out really good, but we're gonna change up the color. We have a pink and a red. I'm also gonna change up my lens. Those were taken with my 35mm. I'm gonna switch it up to the 85. All right, we're gonna switch to red.
Okay.
So you ready? A kick. Cool. 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 Have you like right in the middle? Don't be shy. There, get some more. Crazy. So go ahead, this way. Wait, that was cool. Try that again. Literally, what's going on? It was foggy 2 seconds ago. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed all the sunset photos. Now let's get into the sunrise ones.
Yo, good morning.
What time is it?
It's 6:30.
I'm not okay. I can handle this. Well, welcome back. So we did it. We actually woke up on time for sunrise and also got some dope photos out of it. Also, a huge thank you to Isabella, who was the dancer throughout this video, and my friend Emily, who helped film it. I don't know if you could tell throughout the video, but it was absolutely freezing at sunrise. So huge props to them for sticking through it. But yeah, let me know which photo set you preferred better. Was it the sunset or the sunrise ones? I'll leave a poll somewhere so you guys can vote. And if you stayed until this point, I actually have some bonus behind the scenes for you guys to watch. Now, this footage happened directly after the sunset, so technically at night, so I didn't want to include it in the comparison. But I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys soon. Perfect. Cool again. Go. Are your knees okay? Does this hurt? Are you okay?
It hurts, but it's fine.